Hello, I'm NoxLumens, and today we're going to be doing Busqueda from Hackthebox. I'm going to get a little bit of information down right off the bat. So we're going to start off with our Rust scan. Rust scan, TAC U. I need to actually be in the right directory. So first, let me go to CD documents, Hackthebox, Gitea. There we go. Okay, now we can Rust scan, and I feel good about it, because we're going to do default script enumeration, we're going to do version detection, and then we're going to do put it in mmap format, output to mmap format in a file called mmap.md. And it should appear here. There it is. Now I can open it in a new tab. It should start opening up more and more. Anyway, start off, we see port 22 and 80. I guess while this is running, we can go and look at port 80 and just see what's happening there. HTTP. And redirected to searcher.htb. So let's add that. Looks like it finished as well. So we'll take a look at that in just a second. Sudo nano etc hosts. My password. And then we'll go here and do searcher. Oh. Searcher.htb. That's what it said, right? Searcher? It should say it over here. Yeah, searcher.htb. XY, enter. And we can do some brute force enumeration with searcher.htb. And then while that runs, let's come and take a look at it. Search anything with searcher. It's a huge collection of services, including YouTube, Google, DuckDuckGo, eBay, and various others. You can see this. Which, let's Google Google. I see Searcher 2.4.0 down there as well. Let's look that up. Searcher 2.4.0 exploit. And we see RCEs. Let's just redirect. Oh, it actually redirected us to straight to there. And let's see what Wappalizer says. Flask. Nothing super interesting here. What if I don't do an auto redirect? Is it still gonna just, okay, cool. It's just like a query and the search command. We just navigate to search. So we can't do get, but we can send a post. I'm imagining, I think that's what this is. Imagine this is a post, and then if I click on this and hit enter, get. So I can't get there. We can try this exploit real fast. I'm gonna stop that, clear that out, make dir www cd into it, and then git clone the repo. Well, that's going. Let's just see what it does. The reverse shell POC for searcher 2.4.2 or less, 240, and it's using searcher 240. Oh, buddy, what did I do? I guess that was just another one. Whatever. I'll look at that one in a second if I need to. Small explanation. In file source s anchor main. There's an eval function. URL eval. Check engine. So copy URL open web. And we're using the search query. So what we can do is, what it's saying we can do is we can close it. We can close, yeah, we can close it with a quotation mark and this, right parenthesis, to escape out of this sequence. And then we can start running our own commands. Arbitrary code execution, import os.system, and then our command. And then there's a POC for it, and all it requires is is us to run it, put the site in, and put our reverse shell, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's cd into exploit. Yeah, that's a fairly long name. What kind of? It was a shell script. Okay, change mode plus x. Exploit, and it wants http searcher.htb. Our IP of 10.10.14.129, and then port 9001. Let's start a netcat listener, and we'll do rl wrap netcat 9001, and then we'll hit that, and magically we've gotten a reverse shell. And we are the service account. Take a look in here. There's a git repo, cd.get ll. We can cat the config file in here. We see this. That git t.search. Okay, so we can add that. Let's do something because I am like sprinting through this box. I don't want that. I want this entire thing. So does this exist? Git? No. Bash? HTML? PowerShell? I just want like something that's nice. It doesn't matter. Okay. Never mind. Let's put the whole directory here. So var www app dot git slash config. Our Rust scan. Run the shell, Control C after successful connection. Okay. Was that it? 224. Yeah, this is it. Here's a Rust scan. Bash. And then we went to the website. So port 80. And here we saw this. That's not the important bit though. What is important is down there at the bottom. We can see the version, and I don't want that color. Give me a red. There we go. And then we searched for an exploit. We searched for what do we call it? We call it searcher 2.4.0 RCE, because that's what it was. And this is what we used. I don't know why I do that expecting it to like look really nice, but it doesn't. And then this is hope that all of the OSCP boxes are like this. Okay, and so this was our exploit command. Bash run RCE exploit with netcat listener, and then let's clear this out and move up a directory, clear it out again, and then who am I? And we'll take a screenshot of this and post it in there. This. That way we've got proof that we were there. Just doing some like enumeration, looking around, we see a hidden.git folder, and then we looked for in the config file, and then now we found credentials and a new subdomain, which we can go ahead and add sudo nano etc host. Stop that. There we go. And it's get.searcher.htb. I think I spelled that. No, I did not spell that right. No. Get.searcher.htb. So I enter, clear that out. Oh, we have a little bit more to look at. Let's go to home, see what we have here. cd to svc ls. We can cat user.text. Awesome. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. User.text. We'll hide that. Oh man, we hide it, and this goes away. I don't want that to go away. There we go. Now we're okay. So we need to write ourselves a note. Add get.searcher.htb to our etc hosts file. And what else can we do? Sudo tac l. Can't do that. Okay. At etc passwd grep shell. So we only see the svc user and the root user. Let's go back to this config file. cd cat. And let's try to go here to get.searcher.htb and see what happens now that we've got it in there. Not that though. There we go. We get a 404 page. Repos. Hello. I can't see anything, but I can log in as this guy. Cody. Put a space at the end. Cody, and then here's his password. Let's see what's in here. What I expect to see is like maybe we come across like an old commit. It doesn't automatically look like that though. There's an administrator account with nothing in it. We're on Gitea version, Gitea version 118. There's Gitea. Let's see what this is for. Gitea versions greater than 1.1, where we check that box, and then less than 112, we don't check that box. Or 118. Check this. it's talking about what does a self-hosted community manage? Oh, saying what it is. Git config list. Sure. And that's it. Let's go back into SVC. Home, SVC. Where's this at? Repos. It's going to go into home SVC, and then I decided to come back into here real fast. I think this is just the app that we just saw. Yeah, search, post. Where's the... Yeah, engine, get. Where is it? Invalid error. Arg list. I guess we don't... There are no creds in there. And I'm assuming that this is just what it's running. Go. CSS. Yeah, search, and then powered by searcher 240. And then everything that we saw before. The two fields for option and options. And it's our query. Okay. We see Cody and administrator in here. It might be safe to say that they are one and the same. Maybe. Cody, I mean, yeah, they've got to be the same person. Let's minimize this and see what we can see. At searcher history .json. What about processes? Py, us. That's that, grep local, grep 0000. MySQL. Cannot connect to local MySQL server socket through socket. Let's try to see. So we only have 2 users on the box. We have root and then we have SVC. Let's see if SSH, and SSH is open on the rocks. Root at 10.129.224.250. Let's see if we can log in as the root user with this password. Paste. Okay. Let's try SVC with the same thing. And we get in. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Yeah. Bye-bye. Sudo L. And we have the password. As root, we can run this dot anything. Sudo slash. Sudo, what is this looking for? ls. So we can run Docker PS. Docker inspect. Docker format container name. And then Docker full checkup. And something went wrong with checkup. Can we locate? No, can we find name Docker and then send everything else to dev null, rlib docker, share bash complete, docker. Let's see what packages they have installed. They have two things: containered ls, permission denied, scripts. Is check Docker PS, Docker inspect, full checkup. Here is full checkup and system checkup. Can we do that? Full checkup. We can do that from here. We can do it from here. We can do it from here. Can we do any of these other ones? Like, can I do this? No. Let's see. Full checkup. Up. Works. Let's move up a directory. It doesn't work. Which means that it's not looking for, it doesn't have the full path. So like this does, user bin python 3 opt scripts system checkup.py opt sys. Oh, hello, opt scripts. Oh, and that's what that is. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, so, and there that is. So it doesn't have the full path. So we can move to temp, cd temp ls. We can nano, what was it called? Is it full check up? We can create this file. Full checkup.shell. Then bash. Chmod plus s. S. Then bash. So we're going to set the set UID bit, if this works, for bash, which will allow us to, and we have to run it. That'll allow us to just do then bash tac p. Let's do this. Something went wrong. What went wrong? I don't have it. Chmod x full. Yeah, so we don't have it running. Okay, so that works. That means that we should see. We should have. Okay, shit, dude. Sudo. Do I need sudo? I don't think I need sudo. I think it's just bin bash tac p id. Yeah, that was the whole box. Holy shit, that was the whole box. Okay, get t. Let's go back. We have not that. What is that? What does that create? Is that just like another way to? Cool. Just another way to make a. code. Anyway, check what we can run with sudo. I guess I can just say like check sudo permissions. Sudo tech L, and it returned. That's not gonna return anything. Exit sudo L, it returned this. Copy, paste, and take a pic. Take a screenshot. Somewhere, there it is. And then we can. I can't believe. Oh man. That truly was an easy box. So this is on the TJ Nulls list. I am highly surprised. I hope that the OSCP is actually this easy. So anyway, what were our steps? We checked sudo, we ran some regular enumeration. SQL was running, but honestly, this is the most interesting thing. We ended up looking in search opt scripts located. What do we locate? Full checkup.py. Oh, what else I need is, I can't do that here. I need to go back up a directory. I was gonna say I need to run and get like a screenshot of that, but I also need a screenshot of this. No, that, and then whatever. There we go. So here we can see that these are what we can run. Check sudo permissions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check Python script. Yeah. Okay, check Python script. And then I know the next thing we did wasn't search the directory. We like tried all of the commands. Search op scripts. Running Python script from any directory that's not opt scripts causes full checkup checkup.py to spit out an error to return error message. And then from there we can take this screenshot. Otherwise, it returns this. And we'll add another screenshot. cd opt scripts. We'll run it here. Full checkup. Otherwise, it returns all of this mess. Can I make it smaller? Can I make it smaller, I said? There we go. Copy. This indicates full path is not set. Full path is not set for full checkup, allowing us to create our own copy and run any command, any shell command from anywhere we're allowed to edit permissions and write. So we chose cd temp, we chose temp. And in here we have nothing, our file was deleted. So there must be something that checks the temp directory and deletes files every once in a while. So we made a bash script. Bin bash, change my mode, s, bin bash. Set UI, whatever. Add to it to bin bash for prevesc. So we did that, and then prevesc was, I need to do this as well. Yeah. Prevesc was literally bin bash tag p. Let's nano. What is it called again? Good lord. Full checkup dot py dot shell. We'll paste that in. XY enter. Cat. Full shell. And we'll get a screenshot of that. After I enlarge it again. There we go. Then change mode. We need to allow it to execute. Checkup. Change mode plus X. Full checkup. Hopefully I get to it before it deletes it again. Checkup.shell. And then we can run that command again. Full checkup. Done. And ll bin bash. Now we can see that it worked. Somewhere there. And now if we bin bash tag p, we set our ID. We can see that we are allowed to search the root stuff. cd root, ll, ls, and then cat root.text. There you go, all you root lovers. Hopefully that was helpful for all of you. This was an incredibly easy box. And if it is indicative of what the OSCP is going to be like, then I am excited and ready to take the OSCP, at least in terms of their Linux boxes. The Windows, I think that I should do some more practicing on. I actually look forward to practicing more Windows. I'm pretty decent when it comes to Linux privilege escalation paths. So I don't find them to be as difficult typically. But yeah, that was Busqueda from Hackthebox. Thank you so much for watching and learning and sharing and being here with me. If you like videos, you might take a look at this one. And if you don't like videos and you want to see a whole entire playlist of this stuff, you want more of it, can't get enough, why don't you select this playlist? Other than that, have a good day, and I'll see you next time.